In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to remove any video background and replace them with beautiful ones just like this, or even add that particular video to your gaming video or your tutorial videos step by step. Alright, so the first thing we need is the video that we want to remove its background. So I'm just going to use this video currently right now. So I'm going to drag it onto the timeline. Now we have this video. We have a background right here. To remove the background of this video, what I'm simply going to do is just come over to this cutout section. Then I want to click on this auto cut right here. As you can see, it says only human figures can be cut out. So with this auto cut out, you can cut out human figures. However, if you have any other videos with any other object, then you want to use chroma key with a green screen background. If you want to learn how to remove any object with a green screen background, then type in green screen in the comment section and I'm going to create a separate tutorial on that. So what you simply want to do right now is just to click on auto cut, and as you can see, you now have a video without a background. Now to add any other video background of our choice, we can simply import it and download it from Google. You can download it anywhere, any video that you have that you want to use. Maybe it's your video tutorial or your gaming tutorial, then you want to import them here that you have screen recorded. But I'm going to be changing the video background in this, and I'm going to be using CapCut library. So you also want to get onto this library right here, and you can see we have green screen right here. We can add a green screen. Okay, so we have in the main library that we have trending, we have all these backgrounds right here that we can use. So we can use this background right here. Now to use any background, just drag it down to the timeline right here. Now we have this background that we want to use. To make this video, our video on top of this background, what we simply have to do is just to drag this video up of it, and you can see we now have the video on top of the background. Now we can do this for any of these backgrounds that is here and change our background. It's just very super simple. Also, you can also adjust the video. If you want to adjust the video, maybe it's a gaming video and you don't want the image to be as full on this screen as it is currently, then you can adjust it. You can move the video, just tap on it and you can move it anywhere on the screen. Now you want to add on to the basic and you can adjust the scale of it and place it anywhere, any angle you want to place it. Whether it's a tutorial that you are explaining a lot of things on the screen, you can do so easily. Or you want to make it max, you can zoom it out like this, and it depends on you. It depends on the kind of video that you are using this video for. If you got to follow from this video, don't forget to hit on the like button and also make sure you subscribe to the channel. I remain the mayor of Mayor Concept, and I'll see you in the next lesson.